Pag summer, alam nyo yan, sobrang init dito sa Pinas. Pero kami, dead ma lang kasi unlimited yung ice dito sa bahay. Hassle kaya yung ganito, takaw space sa ref, tapos ang tagal pang tumigas ng yelo, minsan overnight pa yan. Itong IC20 portable ice maker ko from Asin, always ice ready. Just add water, press on button, that easy. Kaya nito mag-hold up to 2 liters of water and it makes 9 cubes per cycle. Habang busy ka sa pagpe-prepare or while taking your breaks, ice is always ready on the way. Pure, clean ice, no smell, no strange taste, always fresh. Kaya as an ice girly na talagang ngumangata ng yelo, this is really a must-have. O diba, always ready and perfect this summer. I can bring this anytime and anywhere with me. I can use it for desserts, smoothies, or any drinks. So refreshing lang, meron ka ng ice cold drinks in just 10 minutes. Guys, if you're interested, I'll be linking this ice maker on my yellow basket or comment section.